It's been 6 years since 50 million Google users had their data breached from a Google Plus API bug, and they're doing their best, bless them.
Oh, bless her.
But their security practices are still far from airtight. Let's talk about Google Docs. Their access controls are pretty good. With passkeys and 2FA and malware protection, your account is relatively secure from outside attacks. But without using end-to-end encryption, your data is living on the Google servers, just kinda sitting there. Yes, perhaps vulnerable to data breaches, but perhaps more importantly, subject to the whims of Google's data collection policies. Google's privacy policy allows it to collect and process the content you create in Google Docs for spam, malware, and search purposes. It saves your search queries and can combine this data with other information, such as your location and your phone number. The privacy policy also does not prevent Google from using your Google Docs content and publicly available information to train AI models. They love talking a big game about privacy, but they also settled a $93 million lawsuit in 2023 about deceiving users by continuing to track their location data even after they had turned off the location history setting on their devices. So there's that.
You have been tracking us.
And if you still insist on using Google Docs, for the love of God, enable 2FA, back up your important documents, avoid uploading any medical or financial info, and check your third-party add-on permissions. Better yet, use protondrive. It's end-to-end encrypted, allows easy collaboration, lets you set passwords for each doc, and it's really pretty.